Hey, how's it going? So back in December, I was heading to my office by bike when I ran into a problem with its front brake. I was arriving to the stop, I managed to stop at time, but my front brake got loose. It wasn't already working properly, and I also had some issues with the rear brake, so I decided it's time to take care of both these problems at once. Normally, I take it to the shop and have it fixed there and then, but this time I really wanted to tackle it myself. First, I gave Lucinda, my bike, her last wash of the year and looped the chain to get things rolling. That's the beauty of 90s mountain bikes. The mechanics are so much simpler than with modern bikes. Plus, there are tons of tutorials and guides online to get you started. So I went all in. I bought a bike stand, cleaning supplies, tools, and a set of front and rear V-brakes. And just like that, my holiday project was born. Lucinda has a very special place in my heart. It was a bike that I got from a family friend, and this bike traveled different paths in the US. The bike then came to Portugal, but unfortunately, he recently has been suffering from some back pain, cannot ride as much as he could, so he decided to give it away to someone who would ride it. And I was a lucky one. So I nicknamed the bike Lucinda and set the goal to not only have her running as smoothly as possible, but convert her into the best commuter bike for myself. I already changed a few parts in the past myself. I installed a new saddle, I installed some new Dutch-styled handlebars, but not something as complex as new brakes. So, I went outside, heard the birds singing, and while doing this, I followed the tutorial step by step to install these brakes. At the same time, I was assembling them. And I managed to get the brakes working. But, with that said, I still ran into a few problems, like not tightening the cable enough and realizing I didn't have the right tool to cut out the cable housing. Still, I managed to get around 90% of the work done before taking it to my local shop to finish it up. I know I still didn't do it myself, but I got 90% of the work done. And we gotta count this for something, right? Celebrate the small wins, even if we didn't do it the whole way through. So, I guess it ain't much, but it is honest work. And that's what I've been up to during these holidays. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe for more. That's the best way that you have to promote the videos that I do. Next week there's going to be another video, so hope to see you again for more. And until then, here's a bike check for my Lucinda, my track 930 SingleTrack from 1995.